Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Rupak Hussain. Currently, I am a student at Daffodil International University in Department of Software Engineering. My batch initial 232 and my batch 41 section E. I am from Gazipur, Dhaka, Bangladesh. My village name is Borisudi under Kalekur Police Stations and Barepara Post Office. I travel every day from my home to Daffodil Smart City for my classes, and I truly enjoy being part of this my campus life. In 2020, I passed my SSC examinations from Gushadra Dr. Jalil Rahman High School with GPA 3.89. In 2022, I passed my HSC exam from Shofipur Ideal Public College with GPA 4.17. Currently, I am pushing my bachelor in software engineering at Daffodil International University from 2023 to 2027. Recently, I am completed a course in ethical hacking, and I am open to opportunities related in ethical hacking or cyber security. Beside my academic activity, I am a content creator and influencer, and I have created multiple videos on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and more than 10 of them has crossed 10 million views. Altogether, my work has reached over 100 million views, and which is make me feeling proud and motivated on creating some videos. I enjoy acting, traveling, and my pushing myself through creative work like online, offline, both. After finishing my BSc in software engineering, I planned to do a master's in software engineering at Daffodil International University, and it's my dream. After complete my master's in software engineering from Daffodil International University, I will going to a corporate job like IT industry, web developer, etc. A software engineering student, laptop is not just a device, it's our classroom, our lab room, and our office. And thank you Daffodil International University for giving me this opportunity, and I am truly so much excited for this year. And thank you all for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.